Hello, I'm Vinay Kelkar of Satguru Consultants, a consultancy organization giving consultancy in ISO 9001 and other related standards. We are based in Pune and the address and other details are given in the slide. We are established and well recognized consultants for over 17 years in this business with over 280 satisfied customers. We give consultancy for various management systems, including guidance for ISO 9001 quality management systems, ISO TS 16949 automotive quality systems, ISO 14001 environment management systems, OSHA's 18001 which is related to health and safety managements, ISMS Information Security Management System ISO 27001, as well as product certifications like C marking, COSTAR marking, etc., which are required for exports to European or Russian Federation countries. You must have gone through various religious scriptures like Gita, Bible, Quran, and which basically tell us to conduct ourselves in our own personal life. Similarly, if you go through these standards like ISO 9001, they are process-based systems which tell any business for how to conduct the business in effective and efficient manner for their own prosperity. We call it as business dharma. Manufacturers and service providers are expected to follow quality systems to give the confidence to their customers about the products or services they provide. This also benefits in internal benefits like reduced costs, improved quality, reduced waste, improved customer satisfaction, as well as many other similar benefits. This standard and related certifications are obtained through a third party, which again gives additional confidence to the customer about the ability of the product or service supplier, and hence this also opens up a huge domestic and export market for the products concerned. You must have seen that the ISO type of standards cover various requirements, out of which documentation is the major first requirement. If you remember a cartoon related to chimp which is sitting on the toilet seat, and a display is made there which says nothing is complete without appropriate paperwork. No doubt that paperwork reference is slightly odd, but ISO also definitely works with appropriate paperwork, and that supports the organization's activities for achieving quality. This covers what management should do and the responsibilities of management as well. Management having a long-term view, management with targets in mind, etc., helps the organization in its growth potential. Management also decides responsibilities and authorities of various persons. In one organization, an employee was asked, "Are you responsible for anything in this organization?" The answer was yes, maybe, because whenever anything goes wrong, I am always held responsible for it. Now you can remember such were the talk by the employee, because they are not held responsible for anything, or they are held responsible for everything. Similarly, resource management and related activities are also important from the ISO's perspective. The product or services what you offer, which are your main core activities, they also have very big impact on the customer's mind. If the product or services are planned well, if the marketing activities are carried out in a systematic manner, if the design of product or service is carried out in a systematic manner, if the purchasing activities for inputs are done through a system, and the actual production or service realization of this activity is done through a system, then only the final product will meet the customer's expectations. So ISO definitely considers these requirements as additional requirements of the standard, and once these requirements are met, then actually the certification related process starts. We provide training to the employees for this ISO certification. We help in entire system documentation and related assistance. We audit the systems to ensure that these customers are ready for certifications. We also ensure that the certifications are obtained through variety of certifying bodies as per the customer's needs and expectations. We ensure full customer satisfaction with our motto of doing our best for the customers. We are basically a team of lead assessors and associates with more than 200 man years in diverse fields. I am one of the partners, Vinay Kelkar, basically a lead assessor with Worldwide Quality Management Network London and DNV, and also ISO 14001 Environment Management Systems lead assessor through Batalas. My partner Virendra Kelkar is ISO 9001 lead assessor from American Quality Assessors and ISO 27001 Information Security Management System lead assessor from DNV. We both handle these activities, and under us there is a team of another 4 persons who help us in these activities. We plan and complete the activities within stipulated time as agreed with the customer, with a time frame of approximately 6 months. We assure certification through chosen certifying body, and as I mentioned, we already worked with more than 34 different certification bodies for these 280 plus customers. That's why we would be very much interested to work with our customers on a long-term association basis. Examples of recently certified customers: we helped Kirloskar Ibara Pumps, who are our customers for over 13 years, with ISO 14001 and OSHA 18001 through Lloyd's Certification UK. We also helped Cosmos Bank's 2 divisions, DMAT division and Internet Banking division, which is certified through British Standards Institute. We have helped Atlas Copco for certification through Lloyd's UK. We have helped Mehta Group companies, various companies, for certification through TUV Germany and American Quality Assessors USA, and their further 3 plants are under different stages of certification. The variety of customers what we have handled so far are well diversified, including engineering companies from mechanical, electrical, electronics field, packaging industry from wooden packaging, food packaging, pharmaceutical, chemical manufacturers, plastic rubber manufacturers, plating, paint, waterproofing type of companies, plant and equipment manufacturers, civil construction companies, software companies, petroleum lube oil depots, schools, engineering colleges, management institutes, coaching classes, as well as special children's schools and hospitals, NGOs, spas, etc. The specific requirements or referrals what we expect from our various associates are related to basically the companies who are export oriented and they would like to standardize their systems based on international standards. Big OEMs or multinationals will also need our help, and of course those who are looking specifically for ISO certifications are definitely our customers. Our associates in these activities could be various finance consultants who have their own customers and they may need ISO 9001 and related certification for these customers. CA and company secretaries are also best associates. HR consultants, management consultants, export consultants can also be our best associates in getting these customers for ISO certification. Thank you for your time.